So here our next chapter, that is separation of substances. So first question comes that why we should separate, or what is the meaning of separation? Alag karna. Separation meaning is to separate. Alag karna. Substances means the things, right? So why do we need this? हमें ज़रूरत है so that we can separate the harmful and unuseful things from the useful substances. Example, when we things purchase from the market, example dal, any pulses, you will find some stones, some sticks. No, it is present in the pulses. So this sticks, this stone is harmful for us. That is why we need to separate those things from that useful substances. Next topic comes, what are the methods of separation of substances? So as we know, the states of matter, solid, liquid and gaseous, right? So in this chapter we shall read about the solid and liquid. There are various methods. The methods are different. And what are the methods is useful to separate the things in solid and in liquid? Let us study. So in solid, there are 4 different ways of separation of substances. Number 1 is hand picking. Number 2, threshing. Number 3, winnowing. Number 4, sieving. Okay, let us know what is hand picking. Hand picking is the process in which we separate the harmful substances by using our hand. Okay. Example of hand picking is separating some stone, husk, broken grains and other substances from the pulses or cereals, grains. ठीक है. Just example देखो, हम लोग चावल से क्या करते हैं, धान को बाछते हैं, निकालते हैं. दाल से हम लोग स्टोन्स निकालते हैं, स्टिक्स निकालते हैं. वो सब हम लोग कैसे करते हैं? By using our hand. So this method is called the hand picking. Next is threshing. What is threshing? Whether I hope you people have seen in the field, after harvesting, what is the procedure? Harvesting means collection of the crop. जब हम लोग crop को collect करते हैं field से, the stalks, जैसे कि धान का जो stock है, उस stock को क्या करते हैं, dry करते हैं in the sun. Okay. After that, what we do? The stalk has many grains, seed attached with it, and the bundles of the stalk lying in the field. The farmers, what they do? They used to separate the grains by the process of threshing. हाथ से जो beat करते हैं, the stalks are beaten to the land. मिट्टी में क्या करते हैं, द स्टॉक होता है ना, धान का जो छड़ा बोलते हैं, या तो धान का जो स्टॉक है, उस स्टॉक को क्या करते हैं, हाथ से बीट करते हैं मिट्टी में. सो बीट करने के साथ साथ क्या होता है, सारे धान अलग हो जाते हैं. सो इस प्रोसेस को बोला गया है थ्रेशिंग. हियर वन मोर टर्म यू हैव गॉट, इट्स द winnowing. From this picture, I think you have got some idea what is winnowing. Here the grains are kept, and with the help of the air, the dust and husk are separated. Means this is the process in which the harmful components or the unuseful components are separated with the help of wind. दिस मेथड इज कॉल्ड द विनोइंग. ये एक मेथड है जहाँ पे हम लोग हमेशा करते हुए देखते हैं. यू हैव सीन एट योर होम कूला या तो डाला जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. इससे हम लोग क्या करते हैं, विनोइंग मीन्स झाड़ते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ एयर. हवा के हेल्प से क्या होता है, जितना भी डस्ट पार्टिकल्स है एंड द हस्क इज देयर, it's separated from the grains. So this process is called winnowing. Next term you have got sieving. This is the last method given in your syllabus. What is sieving? Sieving is the process in which the fine flour particles is allowed to pass through the holes of the sieve with the bigger impurities remains on the sieve. Like you have seen this, right? You have seen na? So this is called sieve, छलनी जिसको बोलते हैं. So with this what happens, the fine, एकदम fine flow particles pass out and the harmful things remains above of the sieve. So with this we use it. So this method is called sieving. So how many process we have got? Number 1 is hand picking, number 2 threshing, number 3 winnowing, and number 4 is the sieving. Next part is how we can separate the substances from the liquid, or how we can separate the harmful substances from the liquid, right? The methods are sedimentation, decantation, filtration. Now I will show you one activity in which you will understand what is sedimentation and what is decantation. Now listen very carefully. See, this is a glass of muddy water. This is a glass of muddy water. Okay, I will keep this glass for few minutes without disturbing. Let us see what is the status of this glass. So this I have kept for few minutes. If I keep for an hour, अगर 1-2 घंटे के लिए रखूँगी, then it will become more clear. Means this you can see the mud have settled down, right? In the base of the glass this muds are settled down. मिट्टी में ये settle हो चुका है. अभी और थोड़ी देर रखने से और ज़्यादा सेटल होगा. क्लियर? सो जो नीचे का पार्ट है, जो मिट्टी हमें दिखाई दे रहा है, उस मिट्टी को बोलते हैं सेडिमेंट. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? सेडिमेंट. नाउ व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिकेंटेशन? आई होप इट्स क्लियर. दिस इज कॉल्ड द सेडिमेंटेशन. ऑलराइट, ये सेडिमेंट जम गया है. इसको नीचे का जो पोर्शन है, मिट्टी जहाँ पे जमा हुआ है, इसको बोलते हैं सेडिमेंट्स. एंड now let me separate this clear water in another glass. This process, like I am separating this clear water, so this process is called the decantation. This clearing or the separation of this clean water is called the decantation. ये decantation है और यहाँ पे क्या है? Sedimentation है. Alright, I hope this is clear. With this activity you can understand. So these are the two ways to separate the liquid, means unuseful components, from the liquid substances. And third one you have got that filtration. Filtration क्या है? एक filter paper होता है. Okay, one paper, उस paper में क्या है? छेद है. Small pores are there through which the water can be more clear. जैसे कि इस पानी को भी हम लोग और ज़्यादा filter कर सकेंगे उस paper के through. Alright, so that's all for this chapter. After that you will get this evaporation, condensation. This one you have got in class 3 also. What is evaporation and what is condensation? So thank you very much.